Why change perfection? The singular coil winds that I'm proposing is Tesla's work. It's easy to prove. It just takes some common sense and observation. Just look at it. If you take the simplest form of a motor to collect data, which would be the three-pole, the three-pole asymmetric motor can only be wound one way. That's it. You can't use a north-south wind. You can't use a group wind. You can't use a all-north pair wind. You can't use a hybrid of the north-south wind. The motor will not work at all. It's just does not work. It's impossible. Okay? I'm not a magician. Okay? It's not going to work. So you can believe what you want to believe, but the truth is the motors are not going to work for a three-pole. Now, we know that if it works for a three-pole, then you should expand to bigger sizes. Okay? So that tells you that the direction that we need to go in is with the singular coil designs. Why? Because that's Tesla's original design. Why would you want to change it? That would be idiotic. It would be foolish. All right? And I'm not in the business for wasting time. I don't have much time to waste. I got many other things that I need to do with my life. But I'm not going to let this travesty go on any further without mentioning it and saying that the three-pole motors is Nikola Tesla's motor. No one else's. It's his. All right? He learned it from his mother, and his mother learned it from Faraday. Okay? And the reason why I say that is because when Nikola Tesla's mother, Duca, was alive, so was Faraday. Okay? And Duca was an inventor. Okay? And she basically taught her son the basics of science and Faraday's work. All right? So Tesla had to be extremely excited when he decided, hey, let's make a two-commutator motor, a three-pole, and let's see what happens. And when he plugged it in and it started spinning like hell and it was spitting out energy, only good things from there, because it's the same way I feel. There's only good things from there. You can't change perfection, people. Okay? Now, the topologies, as far as they go, the north-south wind, the group wind, the all-north group wind, the all-north pair wind, the all-north hybrid of pair and group wind, y'all can keep that. You can give that to dude. I don't want that mess. That's for somebody else to do. I don't want anything to do with that. So I'm making a clear distinction. There is nothing in common between these topologies. Nothing. He can have all of that. I'm with the singular coil winds. That's it. Okay? The singular coil winds will give you the RPMs and they will give you the torque. Okay? It'll give you the torque because you don't split the coil. So you can wrap more turns on one coil with the same gauge wire. Okay? And also, the RPMs, you can use throwout angles also. If you want to make that instead of the same size as the stator, you might want to make it one pole bigger than the stator. But two poles bigger than the stator, you're pressing your luck and you shouldn't do it. But, you know, you're grown. You can do what you want to do. This is all about testing. But I am telling you, I don't like to waste time, okay? So I'm telling you, it's up to you to heed to it or do what you want to do. All right? So the two-pole asymmetric motor, the three-pole asymmetric motors are Tesla's original patent designs. They're part of the A1Mo-Gen that I fondly call it. And it's part of the Tesla's gift, the electromagnetic reactor. Keep it clean and green. Midas.